They married. After some time, they can't give one. They not in a shepherd. In a shepherd. In a divorce again. So the relation was not there. Because Ambrose nowhere Eruwala or he take over. Let me just say the truth. So who told me this thing? Oh, another time na mama. Oh, another time na mama. Dorichi no time mama we Eruwala. Owe Monica. Dorichi in the monitor, then a monitor, interpreter. Dorichi ogwemema. Dorichi no watch you any. Ogwemema. Dorichi very phone. Time where any Monica chipia. Any Monica I can this now also know where Eruwala what I mean secret in Eruwala tama. Okay, a blessing. No watani. Eruwala said Dorichi said the Kiruwala gime. Dorichi, all the time me and a blessing. Oh, I bet. Oh, he have that. What damn it? Oh, what J. Major a funny letter. Make where. Oh, I get Dorichi. Oh, I like Bagua. There you go. Oh, I not where Dorichi. Oh, Dorichi, no believe we couldn't. Oh, okay. Move phone. Now, where we are now, when you want a butcher and I drop a phone. Why don't you have more? And I drop a phone. If you drop a phone, Dorichi, tell him what to tell it a program. Why giving me a dear? Igwin areva. Ime ya fieme Yeruwala, Weruwala, Wawa fieme yonu, Owaswa, Ika. Wawa fieme Yeruwala, Eruwala, Wawim Nana. Eruwala ya mwela jan, la Odwami, la Watamawe, a destiny awano, oh man, oh, one like ya, oh, what Betty. And what am I aware? Ya tell my Pamawe. Why walk by Monica? Bon, la vidéo na ouais, bon sunu. O to do yemon Eruwala zije zera. O kege ni ade. O Eruwala is in problem. Eruwala wa we na ni Eruwala we ni get no odo no da no tama we. Odo no we da no tama we. Because on we on secret na. Yo pa on na okay. On egbe mi na sunu. We we meje Ego dolo de. No what the phone. Destiny. Osaugwe. Destiny o. Osaugwe o. Destiny o. Osaugwe. Waji onyi. Eruwala we Monica. Oye we pa tegbe me no. Owe Monica. Mwe pe ma we wa record dey. Owe meta. Dan yo isen de egwe. Ona wa dan e voice Don Richie. Ona wa dan wona. A friend they no kware now yes. Now I worry. If me are not now we are going on. You know I die oh. Why get me ask well? You know I die oh. A destiny na be atamu mabe. A destiny na be atamu mabe. Eyin do akwe destiny here where ezono sunu ni awasokpa. The destiny be Eruwala. I do agu. Eruwala na o destiny okpokpe here ma go si o e no abagai. O wa kwikwe be ni gwana na Owaro Eruwala get no we akinye Don Richie. Ediemi yaya kwa ende. Ediemi yaya ende me do ne. Me wage na watie Eruwala re Amsterdam. My brother call. Ana hi me no ruano. Me ma katie dem awe. Ni atie ni ya me Nigeria we hi aku. Ona wagele ware. That man is very responsible. He go no gbele we wa me ikume. He go no wa mure ri ojo se. O wa gbele ya kepa. Owe oruame. Oruame ko posunu na otiwe ni watu na we imni gwa ho edede ma owe bo na hi na o hare wa we owe owe ladian na we wa we Monica wo mana gwa ya wa nawe ya give fire o ha Oruame se so tosto Oruame ye ni Any no woman, Okuna you, oh, Imeri, Okuna, Okwa, where no Bani Agua, I did a chemical bear, or woman. I did a quay living, on a promise me, I'm Mutome. I promise when we are my honor, say, Doctor, when we are landing that reality. A land in your mwere, a land in my no ya no mwere. My mwere be one you way. Then you are me what our boy we a power one land me. When I'm land in a dog be one, what be one vena. I don't worry, give me a year, okay. It's told a naive channel. Oh no, what fun, New Year, Ria. Maybe I'm back bena. 2017 one. I'm back bena. A dollar to phone. Minus a blessing, a walate bewa. A blessing, a word of straw. In a video phone, that's the no, or so go a way to be. On our partner, we carry on the wire and away. I want no time, you carry on it. Eh, by me permission when away, yeah. In a way, I go make it while I go. I wasn't there. If I wasn't again, I would send the way. A blessing said the girl be women, you send there. That is a traitor. Oh, I'm not better wala. Oh, I'm not better wala. He will do it. That boy, that small boy is a traitor, a bastard boy. A program here na go eh mana. He might be program here. He got me so rest wala. He got send me so go you. Who wa bie. Who I won't say. You know they trust any friend. I don't know about you know that. Oh, I tell you like ya is the call. Oh, I call it ya. Colonna. And then over the way girl, Papa Kema. You know the mure where over the woman back or that marina. You know when one like them. Eh, Palao. Obviously go your head. Eh, Palao. You know a fake life when it's too much. Me couldn't maybe arrive. You want to know when we go no I was go no we go there. Ona ya lalo we demune. Ona ya lalo onisa. Ona ya gba onisa Don Richie yana hina. This is Don Richie. You mwe picture la ni anode. Yana oh, you more like down, you more like the oh, my friend, you yeah, you send the worry. Everyone wanna my best friend, the boy one okay, on all query one hand. Secretary, hearty, your tea, your question, I will picture like that. Ya mo ladian ye mo phone were on I Don Richie oni san lalo oni san wu ya ete program e o nyobe do ta ma me blessing nyobe send a picture e keru wala kuma nyobe ta ma we game ni ju wala u game ni ejilu kwa ma ina be fie me ye ni wala nu ona we gbogbe nyega gumegwan me ya feme yeru wala nu awoni noe wala wa ya dena la re wa because eru wala ti to ta ma tie Dorichi eru wala ame problem Dorichi na quartier ye ba o ga gwi Dorichi quartier pero ya wo ga Dorichi quartier. That is the reason Don Richie now become a secret and evil friend to Papa Wala. But the Papa Wala, okay, me bata my way, near destiny baguni. Destiny room, I will be destiny, the destiny will be able to die when I'm where we do my bay. Oh no, I come baby, epa, Eru Wala, my love of her. Elu wala ma we wo kan e gono na bi ale le ko pa be Frankfurt ya tell me ya go na le ko Frankfurt. Why do no way pattern Frankfurt. Ya mo ni mo picture la dia. Mama Frankie. Aguye, you say ni where? Aguye. Ere wala na awo ko pa gine Frankfurt. Okoni ne ebo mare. Ebo mare. Ni e mo picture la dia o yen. Okoni responsible gbe. Ni woni jo igo nye ho. Idi atase. Nye bi ade do sieti. E do sieti no bu. Igwigi wesaga. Ya wele gbe mu la saga. Yeti. Igwigi wesaga ye do. Ile do ala do saga again. No one drag me. I go taco. Hello. Hello. Ona ya wo ko na bo me. Ona ya zolo ko na e. O ize zolo. Iju wala wa. E pe na ye doriti. Me ma egbe me ri oyan do ta mi me. I ogwo pe do mu Spain, no to ya yinu. Egbe doriti me. Bi ya e ireli ya. Me we se to a me gbe se to a. Me gbe mi do pa. Igo le doriti ere gwa ge. Mwen mwen la jade mwen gbon yo don richi pa ge no na send go gume mwen ba ge on no block don don on no ri eyin wo wi en mwen picture yin wo udia on mwen picture wo yin wo mo picture wo yin wo no ba na hina okay picture yi ro ye ma be yan gbina re yan ore la same to you baba e o se gele la ni ore la e yo mo picture yi wo o o mo picture yi wo o dori chi fa gwa u dori chi na ne lalo o lalo ni sa wotona wo gbe yo gbere uri ana se wo ri aya dodo wa idenu e ma la topic oja gele oja ge gulu a odogmo mi owe yo you know mu yo na la we wonder person award they know award man give no mu yo no ka on the garo one hello agmegwe happy new month guy awe ina bu happy new year go same to you baba udare same to you baba orewa igo ya no eri egme get the phone now on the phone because I go bu ni wa bi de oru wala orela ni megbe mi ge orela oge wa ge orela wa ge be orela do ri chi na orela okpe oze tie mamu fun imamu imu phone please call me back it's your sister worry I chiwe gana ya tie Don Richie was behind Papa Wala secret broker. Nye ite tami mewe edi wenu mwe la diyan o ya what extract e ori inu e. Won ha mwe, won wegi mwe, we a wati e won wa legbegbe. Iwe edi won mwe awe, won mwe gbe. Lo wala imu awe ye bi ro pe yo tutu be do pa aro ina ta mo na wo e me mari modo vie mari mode edo me mari modo vie mari me na wo vie mari mode edo e na do una ya moto wa we na do ri ani we wa because we ko na ri awo eni no adolo ina do ri awo una moto And I do another way, you model doorway, everywhere way. You people, you are aware that time. So, any you are doing. Oh, we are not Uleriana. Yeah, Emilia pay you what destroy family ni. And the papa will like trust Papa will like can keep because of this boy. Papa will like trust Oh, this is static worry. When one many ogo don't it? Ogo yadi right. The bike won't go koyame. Another mention throw don't reach the high or the shed throw. Shed where? Hello? Enutie. Yon. Tu agumagwa. Egbe no ana. Egbe yama. Egbe ma me na do atale live video. Egbe we wo oni wonu do tere. Egbe me ma me na check egbe na. Egbe we wo egbe wo do do. Gwa me no agwa tabeta. Hello. Awon we mu yo salobwa. Hello. Hey, dagene. But awon we mu yo. Awon we mu yo. Hey. Gwa. We are more ologbo yo. Say man I dege. More ologbo yo teme. Ela video teje won but mu iwo ni. Gwa. Iye we go back to one po. Gwa. Yes. OSA. Yes. OSA. Yeah. Yes. Oh, daga ene. Oni nabulele. Nabulele. Imaye daga. But imamu weye mu eye ho. Mu eye ho. Cause imanu mu eye. Yeah, my daughter. It is when we are actually way. Explain ye. Edna koyo doya koyo. Aye. They live video. Okay now. Otemena hina. Donichi, I give me that expo where when I ask me za. I'm gonna me. Oh you hear already? No ya devaga. That expo was coming from Don Richie. That is the reason why I was having that power to attack Papa Wala said, this thing is confirmed. If you so no person will go YSF. Unwe na ka me wati Wala America be wati ona wa panu no. Na okay problem iro. O wani hin I na settle e. So all these things the third one when Monica weti bembo wa wonu bembo wa mu gbegbo e. So lo bo no egbe mo bogbe. Omo wa hin abembo wa ri omo iwo. Omo ma wonu wa he omo ma wonu wa we mi ropa oma ka mo we mi na gina do we konton boss be there we to bu owo kwote no nyamo ana do mie we yes ogo pe ani no agbo do amu do ma mu wo amu geru wala is able to cocoa the omo to train that baby to the highest level. Even when now where marry where any name itself. Wala can still give you money, but that money is out of way. Mukpa hen wari goni mukpa ekwena haiwa esa lopwa wenri mo ese nu wa dise mukpa hen wari giru wala ni do wala we wari gimenu tere genu nuze we do we bai do lue force we kile ija we no makwe we no kwa why the husband of that useless she-goat called Monekia must leave. If you want the penis of my Papa Wala again, that man must leave the country, must leave you alone. They will not know that you are single. Any man can go. Any man can go. But because being as Papa Wala who kere one or joke. So all people wala ni forgive me. Awi pe no ma enegbe awe kita ya ti akweyo. Ma Monica because we me figure. Wa me very bueni wa je na wa bua. O ma we adenia ne ma na do fie wo hodia. Ne ma na do fi o. We do wa adenya matame we wa je na o wa we ala hia ikebe makebe egbe magbe no pa ma no pa wa toto ye na okuna mebogbe. Boy kweno edukaje sha edukaje una ri kumebege ni una ide kebina so la de gbo na no pa na but when we waje na nyama dede okono fun wa fun wa edodoele bobo be yo Monica agbon fi ogbe agbon oh, what not responsible. On a document. Nagia Nikbeya Ifijofi. Oh, move, man. This man. Come here, I tell you. You know the year beneath self. This man, Kakalode. The guy one animal for our country, they would call and say Kakalode. That animal, how great, now so you be. You. So, what you supposed to do? Let me tell you. Let me educate you. As a master of education, let me educate you. As far as your penis is not working, leave that woman alone. Stay out from that woman. Don't beg anymore because you are hurting her. You are hurting her. The hurt you have been giving her is she cannot sex well. She cannot bake well. The pulse she always releases is small. She don't release fluently. That is the reason she is now coming to bigger woman. Before you know, you will kill her. So give her a space so that she can get somebody like Victor Frank. Frank Victor can take over. Can take over Atuari. Mama Ekia. Mama Eki. Frank, go and take over that woman. Let her come back to, because when you be in London, they will be at the Belgium. Don't lose one. Celeste, I beg you, I know what party in a war allow forgive her. My not really way. I will beg Celeste to give Atuari come to Amsterdam again. I will beg my daughter Celeste to give you one room, the house she bought. And you always claim you were in Holland. You said you bought a house. You are not in London. You said you bought a... Why are you doing fake life? Everywhere you bought a house. Everywhere you live, you bought a house. Why are you living fake life? What you are going to do, come back to Amsterdam. I will beg Celeste to give you one room. Then I will not carry my car. to help you. I will use my car to help you. Then that Victor will now fly through one road, small road, to Amsterdam. Then you can marry that Victor, because I believe Victor was the one satisfying this my boy before. So Victor can take over you, so that both of you, so that Ivie will not be happy. Ivie want you to move on with Victor, stay out from dead pennies, so that your life, leave your children there. Don't take your children. Let that dead pennies take off those children. No, take those children away. Na mi to ya alaliyan oye. Na mi to ya alaliyan oye. Hello. What? Okay, where go do? Where go do? Okay. Agume. Morewa. In real life, that's where I would do now. Me ovi me gwa we can we gwa wodo. Where I would do. Me real life. Okay, re mana ide. We gwa ni a me pick ene we so we koto. We so we koto. We are so we koto we do our bag. One in here. Guania. Okay, Guan. Ogodore. Okay. 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 Imo speaker ne ye ya ho ne
Nene Monica niena we oni this that before you get actually on me ema that you ukwe abwa
okay. Imane. Okay.
Because my mom understand the engineer was with social media. Ekonoma udo mune uwe ionyamo. Na woke apa. Other point of any oswo.
Okay.
Amia ya wedi latest.
Okay.
Amia wedi latest in a wepo.
Au. Oh, can wear me passport me only me whatever. Monica. Well, can wear I have a passport. E bat in a yari. I don't to turn my way. Ona gele ao bi e. Wa gbe won ayodo. Wa your cap your money wu.
Anu mi obayawu.
You say I met a daughter.
Because of only me
Where's he? Okay.
And Monica no na Jamie only I want to kill myself. Eruwala ijuwala kan kun ye you want to read. Egenu na mu ene pe amuru enoko. Uma ya ka ku ya pa you want to. Ogbado we Jenia. Ogbado Monica we Jenia.
Imane o.
Na gbot na temata.
Imane.
Monica, why you say Ubeali will cover face?
No say.
So if you have to now tell what I might be. Now because kame Monica no la wo no yaria
Eruwala. Yes.
Because he was destroyed that man's image, and which is very bad. It's very bad. Why may you like your soul? Because very bad. Very bad. It destroyed that marriage. Do you know how long that you allowed to build a marriage over here?
For long, you married ke Nigeria de dosema. No cooking your Elia. No, to arena on you what destroyed that relationship. No, bad relationship in it. No, yes. No, Mwedia. And to arena where I Monica. Edo. What are Monica? No, see you. No, see you. No, see you. Dorothy no more.
The real truth is that
yes. No enjoy do. What's it? Wala yedo. What's it? Wala Omanu do wale omodo. Omemo wale na wala. E Princess Babeti. Ogere momo ile do momu. Owe agbo egbijo mo wa. Oye beta. Ogbe ugwala ile chomi yen.
Nika ma we little story. No oge erugwala. Ede ni gwala na pari ewebu. Ani ni amati you erugwala e.
Okay.
Omo ka ari ewebu ya bash.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Is a very peaceful man. I know him very well. Very peaceful man. Let them leave that man alone. Monica, no
all right. We'll see. So about the boy, we are finishing one. All right.
Because that is a peaceful man. Monica, that
okay. Okay. Monica, igwe o. Igwe lao. Igwe kadolo. Igwe gedegele. Igwe yame. Awonu do maro pa ugwe o. Eke ni wa nwina. Eyewe ugono barugwe mulele gbegana ne ke nwina. Ne ke ewu ne ariopagbe, omariopagbe. Ebon do yino. Ugbe rugwe la ido tani ewe. Deba ba tiege. Dorichi. Oido temi ya mame gwe gemneru wala ubieke. Yowe dokpa yowe atama we diagwe ne pata ya. Owo ge tagba ugwebu ukpogo dono. Eni tamawena o ma tie ne. A princess tie. Princess, the whole world recognized all over the world. A great woman of timber caliber. A woman of substance, a celebrity woman. Otie when wa digwa yame. No digwa dolo. No dudo. No di gelegele no do di homodo. O we are the okpe ake when okpe ne kia uvenia enyenia. Enyenia okia uvenia enyenia. Ekia no wa kwa ni o wa si eyo. Se e come ke na bon. Eye ke na ba. Ikpiari gwe odorie o momo. Eka family. Eka society. Eka group of company. Awon wa de o. Wa dori eka o. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to turn to Don Richie. When I'm coming out this evening, is Don Richie. Don Richie and Princess Babette. Don Richie, Princess Babette. Princess Babette. Okak Bigbi Agane. Princess Babette Kak Bigbi Agane Plaza. Plaza. Okak Bigbi Agane Ugbagwe. Oni enoka uwa Princess Babette onache chime. No we Princess Babette. Okak Bigbi Agane the ache Ugbagwe the plaza iye Joko Usuigo nye ya adu Joko begani Yata gari mi mommy bari. Ocho no ko. Na tie genotata. Iyana yari ayo gbomadia. Genotata gbomadia yari ayi. She was not apart from that family where Oremida. She always stand for her life. She always work hard. Omonoje gwodia, omono do afese. Omonoje gwodia, omono do anegbese. Princess Babette no na gwijeni. E kano hoye wow. Iye wow we kano hoye. Anye kiakpa. The Princess Babette ma wo wa. So we are going to talk about that. Eno sunu eno sigbinare eno siezore. We are going to talk about it. You understand? Oni maile lana. Hello, talk. So that is how we are going to discuss later on the day. So God bless you. Monekia wa gbe gwe omonagwa. Don omenye so ne wala we ni ta. No we ni ta na ya na ligi. Ma denuri owa nyeso. Wo mana edonujo ogwai na di ne dagbe wa we ne mi ireba we are where everything ya fe gbe me itoge yo egbe a wa o wa gbon wa ro wodo wa ge hian we are we like Facebook we do agun a we do atamama nakpa what you want to talk we never talk, what you want hear we never hear. How are you? What do you want to know? You don't know, should I be